Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, are you receiving?
Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Are you receiving, over?
Tango 21 receiving you loud and clear.
Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Are you receiving, over?
Tango 21 receiving you loud and clear.
Tango 21, nothing heard. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Are you receiving, over?
Tango 21 receiving you loud and clear.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, I'm receiving you, and it's radio 1. I can read what you said. He said receiving you loud and clear. So if you'd like to move on to the next point, over.
Yep, roger that. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, are you receiving?
21, Mr. Chippie, are you receiving, over?
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, I'm receiving you. I think we're doubled there.
Okay, well that isn't as good as at the top of the hill, over.
Alright, roger that. Well, I'll move on to the petrol station and see if that makes a difference.
Okay, I read that as you're going into the petrol station, that's fine. So I'll catch you there.
Roger that. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, are you receiving?
Yes, Tango 21 receiving. Yep, I can hear you. I understand what you're saying. It's about radio 2. I'd like you to go to the top of the lane, please, over.
Yep, roger that, will do.
Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Are you receiving, over?
Yeah, Tango 21 receiving you loud and clear.
Yeah, that's absolutely fine. There's no need to come down to the hard standing because that's absolutely fine, over.
Yeah, no problem. That's that then for this test. So I'll say 10-10. I'll catch you shortly.
Yeah, I will just say one thing. You're talking to the top of that. Can you see the microphone slat is above the speaker, over?
Yes, I can see the 2 holes where the mic is.
Well done. Okay then. Well, I'll see you back at Tango Towers then, and we'll do a swap over of radios.
Roger that.